If you have come to a dead end, you feel like there is no hope, you feel like all doors are shut and they will never open, you feel like you're stuck in this difficult situation or perhaps a difficult relationship, remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Inna Rabbi qareebun mujib. Truly my Lord is ever near, all responsive to prayer. Perhaps you cannot have a child. Inna Rabbi qareebun mujib. Or you have a child, but that child is your test. Inna Rabbi qareebun mujib. You can't make ends meet. Inna Rabbi qareebun mujib. Trying to get that job or that position. Inna Rabbi qareebun mujib. The spouse, trying to find a spouse or trying to find peace with your spouse. Inna Rabbi qareebun mujib. Struggling with something in your nafs and that sin keeps on coming back over and over. Inna Rabbi qareebun mujib. Whatever it is that you're struggling with, and we're all struggling with something, remember that my Lord, your Lord, is ever near, all responsive to dua, and dua changes qadr. Dua changes qadr. Put those hands and make dua. Inna Rabbi qareebun mujib.